This model review is of the Dodge Charger, the RT, and this is a DieCast metal kit, and this is Dom's Charger from the Fast and Furious, made by Jada Toys, and this is obviously a simple model kit. It comes pre-painted, it's got a metal body, and there's the other one that they make, and we're going to have a look inside and see what we've got here. Everything is all taped up. Let's take all of our pieces out of there. So it comes with a little screwdriver and a whole bunch of parts, some instructions, and we have to cut this off to be able to get it open. We've got some wheels and a little action figure here. It's a little difficult to get this thing out here. Hopefully that'll do it. Let's try cut here. And there. So, first of all, we've got our metal body, and there's our gas cap. We've got glass already installed, and here are our tail lights, and it's quite a nice finish, nice and shiny. Got some nice chrome there for the front. Here are our wheels with the tires already on them, and they all look like they're about the same size. Lots of nice chrome there. Here we have our little figure. Dominic, and it is quite solid, and comes pre-painted. And over here we have all of our other parts. Again, this is a simple kit, so everything comes pre-painted and does not require any glue. So let's see if I can get that to cut. Nope. Okay, so here is our cockpit, and it comes with our pedal box and gear shifts seats already installed and fused in there. Here's our chassis with disc brakes, comes pre-painted, and our exhausts. Here we've got some metal parts, including our axles, lots of screws. A lot of chrome parts here. And this looks like our sides of the doors, and it comes with the glass already attached for inside the doors. There's our air intake, all nice and chromed out, and engine parts there. Here's our supercharger. Here's our steering wheel attached to the instrument panel with some stickers already on there. This is probably our, well, it might be our gas tank. And here's our, is that the engine bay maybe? Yeah, for engine bay, there's radiator there. And that feels kind of heavy. This must be the doors. And the hood. Yeah, so this is all the metal pieces here. So there's our trunk. And that looks like that's going to lift up. We've got a nice hinge there. And we've got our door there. That's the right door with the hinge. And this is going to be our left door. Also nicely painted. And then over here we've got our hood with the cutout for our supercharger and air intake. But very nice and polished and smooth. It's a nice painting there. Okay, so here are the instructions. We've got parts listings there. Here's how we build our engine and put it all into our engine bay that's then mounted inside of our body with our doors and insides going on, and that's all screwed in. Then we've got our instrument panel, and that's the cockpit, and that's our gas tank going on, as well as the hinge support there for our trunk. Then wheels and axles, and then finally we screw in our chassis. And don't forget to put the front hood on. So all in all, that's actually a very nice little model, and it's a quick, easy, simple kit to build.